Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, come on, join the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're unboxing what's in this box right here. And what is this? This is our January 2022 CURLBOX. Y'all know this is my favorite box. I love me some CURLBOX, okay? Now, there are a lot of products in this box. So, I'm going to take them out. Then I'm going to take out the actual CURLBOX itself, and then we'll go through it, okay? All right, y'all. Here is our CURLBOX, and this box is heavy, okay? Just so you know, this is our first CURLBOX of the new year. So I am excited, and I think you're going to love what's in this box. All right, so when we open it up, we have our description card, which looks like this. And the theme for this month is the indulgent issue. Okay. Like it, I like it. All right. And then we also have our CURLBOX Curlfriend card. Okay. So when we open it up, it says this epic jam-packed box is full of swoon-worthy curl staples courtesy of Garnier Fructis, with an emphasis on hydration, frizz fighting, and definition. These incredible formulas help you winterize your curls for maximum protection. Alrighty, there's a lot. There's a lot in this box. So I apologize if we go over our normal 16, 17 minutes, but it's a lot to get through. Okay, so it gave us some tips. Oh, I love this. They're calling them winterization tips, okay? And it says, winterize tip number 1. Winterizing your curls means preparing and protecting your hair from cold temperatures. Consider switching to a creamy, sulfate-free shampoo to help curls maintain their natural oils. Okay, so we're going to start off with our Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Fortifying Shampoo, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and it says glycerin and coconut oil. It is sulfate free, paraben free. It's a vegan formula, and it's for nourished, frizz resistant curls, and it's a system for 24-hour frizz control. This is a 12.5 fluid ounce size. This is a huge bottle. Okay, it has a 12-month shelf life and loads of coconut. Okay, so this is item number 1. It says this sulfate and paraben-free shampoo combines vitamin B3, B6, and plant-derived extracts to gently cleanse. If your curls are particularly brittle, add in your new Garnier Fructis Curl Co-Wash. And that is this one right here, okay? And it says this creamy standout co-wash nourishes and preps curls midweek. All right. And it says it's for curly to coily hair. And it says, gently cleanses without stripping, 2 times more hydration, and it's a 12.1 fluid ounce size. Elasto Protein and coconut oil. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well, okay? Then it says, follow up with your Curl Nourish Conditioner. And that's this one right here. And it says a lush conditioner chock full of fruit extra, softening sugarcane, and amazing butters. That is item number 3. And we are not even halfway done, okay? But keep moving. Winterize tip number 2. Try using a cream gel formulation that's half styler, half moisturizer for happy, hydrated curls. You'll love your Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel, a creamy gel that whips and sculpts curls with extra hold. All right, and this one is for bouncy curls, and it says with shea butter, and it's extra strong hold. If you look at this, it has the 3 on here highlighted to let you know the kind of hold that it has. And it is a 5.1 fluid ounce size. Okay. How does it work? Okay, it says it leaves curls defined and bouncy. This one also has a 12-month shelf life. I am feeling this. All right. We're making a dent in it, okay? The next item, which says, for quenched 2-strand twist, try your Curl Nourish Air Dry Buttercream. And that's this one right here. And it says it's a leave-in conditioning styler that's perfect for air dry looks. All right. And this one says it's for nourished, frizz-resistant curls. And this is a 10.2 fluid ounce size. And yes, it is a leave-in. And let's see here. This one also has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, y'all, this is all right with me. Okay, so then it says a leave-in conditioning styler that's perfect for air-dried looks. All right, then it says for maximum elongation, your new Garnier Fructis Curl Stretch Pudding, which is this one right here, achieves incredible stretch sans flake. Okay, all right, and this one is an anti-shrinkage cream. And it says Elasto Protein, and this is for curly to coily hair. And it says up to 48 hours elongation and moisture applied to wet hair, section by section, stretching the hair from roots to ends and distributing evenly, and then just style as usual. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. I am feeling this system. Okay, then it says winterize tip number 3. Lightly spritz throughout the week. Refreshing is the key. Don't be afraid to give your hair a daily mist to revive and rejuvenate. Your new Garnier Fructis Curl Refresher revives limp curls with this moisturizing spritz. And that is this one right here. Okay, and it says this is a reviving water. It says for all curl types and up to 48-hour moisture and bounce in between washes. And this is an 8.5 fluid ounce size. Oh my God. All right, guess what? We're down to the last item. Woo! And this one is Garnier Fructis Curl Multi-Use Oil. This amazing oil triples as a frizz fighter, scalp treatment, and shine booster. Apply to your scalp on wash day to dissolve buildup or apply to ends to seal. Okay. Truly multi-use. It says this is a hydrating oil with vitamin E and coconut oil. And it says for all curl types, 75% less breakage in one use. Oh, I am here for this. I can't wait to try it. All right, and this one does have a 12-month shelf life as well. This is amazing. This is an amazing system. I'm excited to use it all. I mean, it's a lot. It is a lot, but I'm here for it. So, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below. They are truly looking out for us during these winter months. It's cold out here in these streets, okay? So, excitement, absolutely, absolutely. I just want to say that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the first CURLBOX of 2022. And inside of that CURLBOX were these products right here. And down below, you'll see the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is in this box. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.